Key chapters like democratic rights, food security in India, federalism, citizenship, and secularism have been dropped from school courses in the National Education Board (CBSE's) bid to reduce the burden on students amid the coronavirus crisis. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) announced that the syllabus for 2020-21 would be reduced by one-third because of the extraordinary situation as the world fights the coronavirus pandemic. The board has revised the economics and political science courses for grades 9 to 12. The chapters completely deleted from class 11th political science syllabus include federalism, citizenship, nationalism, and secularism. 2 units from the local government chapter have been deleted. These include Why Do We Need Local Governments and Growth of Local Government in India. From the class 12 political science syllabus, the board has entirely removed security in the contemporary world, environment and natural resources, social and new social movements in India, and regional aspirations. From the Planned Development chapter, units dealing with changing nature of India's economic development and Planning Commission and 5-year plans have been removed. India's relations with its neighbors, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Myanmar has been deleted from the present session from the chapter on India's foreign policy. Chapters on democratic rights and structure of the Indian Constitution have been removed from the class 9 political science syllabus. A chapter on food security in India has been completely removed from the economic syllabus. For class 10 students, chapters on democracy and diversity, caste, religion and gender, and challenges to democracy have been removed. Experts are of the opinion that the most important chapters have been deleted from the course by CBSE. These chapters form the essence of Indian education. Congress has criticized the selection of topics to be dropped and called it politically motivated.